Now let's solve example number 3. So, x squared minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0 by completing the square. So, let us rewrite our given equation first. So, we have x squared minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. So, first, we need to transpose yung ating constant to the other side of the equation. So, yung negative 8 becomes positive 8. So, next is we need to think what number we can add in order for this to be a perfect square trinomial. So, to do that, all we need to do is to divide the value of b. Okay, so if you're going to notice, hindi ko na sinasama yung negative. Kasi in the end, what we will be getting is the answer which will be positive kasi i-square natin. But technically, the value of b is negative 4. But still, the answer kasi would be the same naman. So, let's go. Negative 4 over 2 square. So, that will be negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. And then, kapag ka-in-square natin, so we will be getting 4. So, the constant that we need to add in order for us to have a perfect square trinomial is 4. And since we add 4 here, we also need to add 4 sa kabilang side. So from here, we will be having a perfect square trinomial, and the factored form will be, okay, so we have square root of x squared is x, and then you copy the sign of your b, which is minus or negative, and then we have square root of 4 is 2. So, ito na yung ating factored form. 8 plus 4 will be 12. So, the next thing that we would need to do is to get the square root of both sides. So, again, ang matitira na lang dito will be x minus 2. Okay, so what's the square root of 12? So, since 12 is not a perfect square, we can just leave it the way it is. So, after that, what we can do is, this is positive or negative square root of 12. So, first is positive, and then the second one is negative. Okay, so x minus 2, so magiging x square root of 12 plus 2. Okay, or simply x is equal to 2 plus square root of 12. And then sa kabila naman, we'll have x is equal to negative square root of 12 plus 2, or x is equal to 2 minus square root of 12. Okay, so that is already the solutions of our quadratic equation by completing the square.